How to set up mailing list on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up a mailing list into your Squarespace website. So it is going to be very simple and easy. We are going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going to be on the account dashboard. We are going to click on it and then we are going to choose the website that we want to start the campaign from. Click on go to website just like that, and we're going to wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see we are going to be on the website and we're going to head over the control panel, which is going to be situated on the next or the left side of the screen. Click on email campaigns. Now we have the email campaign dashboard. So what can we do here? It is going to be very simple. We are going to start a step-by-step tutorial or a step-by-step process. So we are going to head over here. As you can see, we have the checklist to start sending. We have three main things: select an email template, create a mailing list, add a sender detail. So we are going to start by selecting an email template. We're going to choose our main email template. Choose the most convenient one for you. For example, like this. You can go ahead and use this template and we're going to select it. You can also or always modify it or edit it as much as you want. You can go ahead and check up or modify the email background, the content background, the font size, and link color. When you finish from the styles, you can go ahead and head over the email itself and modify the text, like the subject line, the email preview, to and from, for example, the unique recipients, the sender details, and etc. Now for the sender details, you can go ahead and click on add sender, but we are not going to add a single sender, but we are going to add a mailing list. For the footer, you can go ahead and have the legal address of yours. Also, you can add a schedule. This is the button of the schedule. Now, we're going to have this email. As you can see here, we are going to select, or we are going to be back for the campaign or the dashboard of the emails. So now we are going to head over the second checklist element, which is going to be creating a mailing list, which is the main subject of today's video. We have clicked on the button. Now the category is going to be the mailing list. We're going to click on create mailing list. We are going to name it, for example, here, let's say, depending on the type of the campaign that we want to launch, we can go ahead and have a name for it from it. So, for example, I'm going to have clothing, maybe. We're going to click on save. Now, as you can see, we have the total subscribers, organic subscribers, and the net change. All the counters are here. So, we're going to start by adding subscribers. We can go ahead either and upload a list, as you can see from a CSV file, or add by individual subscribers. So this is going to be a process that you need to have at least, or you have bought some services from certain platforms that offer email addresses that accept newsletters, accept promotional messages or emails. And for that, it is going to be something that you're going to create manually by adding the email address, first name, last name, and confirm the permission of this person is going to accept the marketing. So I'm going to have this, for example. This is going to be something, let's say here related to our testing accounts. I'm going to click on done. You can go ahead and have the glance of the subscriber here. You can add another subscriber or send an email right away. So we can go ahead and create a campaign depending on the persons that we have created or the subscribers that we have added. So I can go ahead and add as much subscribers as I want. Also, I can go ahead and upload them, or I can go ahead also and export them. We're going to click on create campaign, and with that, we're going to start the campaign. select as always a template. I'm going to click on use template, and it is going to let you see here everything. For the email, we can go ahead and set up the sender, add sender, and you can go ahead and set up the senders. But when you finish, you're going to set them as you want. So here we have the unique receipts or recipient. You can go ahead and click on all subscribers, click back, and when you finish, you're going to click on send test. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.